Hey everybody, Carlos here with Get Hooked. So I'm going to quickly go over and give my opinions on the infamous Dr. Squatch Body Bar Soaps real quick. This is not a paid promo or anything. I just wanted to give my opinions on them because I'm very honest. And I don't really like the way a lot of them are. I don't really like a lot of these Dr. Squatch soaps, and I'll tell you why. Just let me go over them and talk about them, and I'm gonna give them a comparison to your typical soap off the counter, or off the shelf. So I'm gonna quickly go over this one. This is the Cedar Citrus. It smells pretty good. If you like citrus smells, this one's pretty good. This one's an okay smell. I wouldn't say I love these smells, but they're okay. In regards to smells, I've got these about a month ago, and I didn't want to start talking about them until I actually used all of them, or most of them, Pine tar, this one smells pretty good. It actually has like more of a, exactly what it sounds like. It has a piney smell, but it also smells like tar road. So this one's pretty good. I don't know why on the commercial it talks about how women loves these smells. Sorry. If you're a woman that loves the smell of tar, then you're a weirdo. Let's be real. Typically, because most men would typically like the smell of tar, because, we're more manly, I guess. I don't know. But I like the smell of tar. It has that gravel type of smell. I don't know what it is. But grapefruit IPA, I don't really like this one. It actually smells just more like grapefruit. I like drinking grapefruit juice. I like the way they taste, but I don't like the way they smell, if that makes sense. Another one I'm going to talk about is the Alpine Sage. Alpine Sage. It smells okay. This is another one of the ones that smell pretty good. I don't really like the grapefruit smell. But I like this smell. Alpine Sage smells good. Gold Moss. That one's okay. It smells more like a cinnamon oatmeal kind of thing. With all due respect, and I'm not talking crap, I'm just being honest, I don't really like a lot of these soaps just because they don't last that long on you. Personally, I'm a guy that likes to smell good all the time. Yeah, that's what cologne is for, and deodorant, but let's be real. If you got a good body wash, then the body wash should be able to last on you long enough too. You know what I mean? But these don't last that long on you. At most, like maybe 45 minutes to an hour at the most. This one's Deep Sea Goat's Milk. This one actually smells like a clean doctor's office. I like this one. This smells okay. The funny thing is about doctor's offices is that when I was a kid, most children should be afraid of doctor's offices or dentists or whatever, but I was never afraid of them. I was actually kind of excited to go to them. I think because it got me out of school. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Eucalyptus Greek yogurt. This one doesn't really smell that good. It actually smells more like, like a crappy brand of soap on the shelf or whatever. That's what it smells like. It doesn't smell too good. Bay rum smells okay. I like bay rum, smells pretty good. Let's quickly open this. Bay rum. That's what it looks like. Bay rum smells good. It smells more like I don't know, clean seashells and cinnamon or something. I don't know. Maybe something like that. Spearmint basil. For those of you who don't know, I love basil. I like the way basil smells. I like the way it tastes. Yeah, it smells kind of like a good basil minty flavor. I love chewing spearmint gum too, so it's kind of funny that they put these together for flavor wise or smells wise. Since this is probably my favorite out of all of these, I kind of wish I had gotten 2 of these, considering I got doubles on some of these. Yes, this one's called Cool Fresh Aloe. I think the reason why I like it mainly is because it's green. It has like a green color. but it also smells like a delicious, clean cologne. Like, weird. But other than that, that's all of them. For my honest opinion, I would say I do not like these soaps, mainly because, with all due respect, they actually smell similar to your typical, like, cleaning supplies underneath your sink. You know what I mean? Like the cleaning scents that are like, I don't know if you ever smelled what Comet smells like. That's a cleaning solution that you use to help, like, clean like your bathtubs and shit and your toilets. That's kind of what they all smell like. They all kind of smell like Comet. So for those of you women who are on those commercials who are saying, "Oh, that smells good. It smells like my dad's cologne." Well, you must love the smell of cleaning solution, because that's what they all smell like. They all smell like Comet, the cleaning solution. They don't all last that long. They do a really good job of cleaning you. It gets rid of a lot of the oils, but they don't last long on you. Other than that, in comparison to your typical over-the-counter, off-the-shelf cleaning body wash for men, this one alone is actually really good for men's cleaning. That actually smells good. It's antibacterial. It lasts long. I think I can put that on and it'll last at least 4 or 5 hours on me, which is really cool. So yeah. Other than that, I would not recommend getting Dr. Squatch hand soaps for your husbands or boyfriends or brothers as gifts. I'm sorry. With all due respect, don't get them. They're not that good. I'm never going to use these for body wash. I'm probably going to use these to keep them inside my restroom as like for people to wash their hands with, but I'm never going to use them for a body wash. Simple as that. They're just not that good. They don't last that long. So, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. If you want me to try any other products or anything, really, just leave a comment and I will purchase them and give my honest opinion on them. Yeah. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. And stay safe. Bye.